So from Russian Nsem.
Now the model wouldn't want to corner.
I'm saying that the confusion that we are experiencing now on this Asante DSM
if immoral.
Unimna, what down for no catcheno.
No, Mamma, you only more one.
No, I'm saying that Unimna catcheno.
At minimum the power.
So if you know, Unimra and only to me back across the two animals. Catcheno,
more as some now, okay.
May catch or so Casama GPRT, Bebois.
But Kofiasa Fremoro Mammy.
Yeah,
Fremoro Mammy.
Oh, yes, I don't know.
No more why they
all over we are saying GRTCC, more to me
because I'm not too.
And I make catch or be over to Sadiano. Well, what to the moon? Oh, no, or be in Tian and Tiachi. I might not tell me all fruits and be a tea. And Tia any increase be a please. It's a regulated space. Let be a Utia Biano, Yan 2 a centradium and then the crack. Who is Moro? Now they give you Moro now. I'm saying that who is he? Moro is bigger than Moro. Moro is the secretary. Ghana is bigger than GPRTU. Ghana is bigger than everybody in this country. What are you talking about? And you are not paying more for Kamo Muntia. Me say, Obi anywhere so Tia, Pim say, a regulated space. So we am saying, Obi sorry, I know to we am saying them, I come on the basic. Omanhene. I said, okay. Number I'm saying that we am saying, oh, commercial vehicle. Obi are we am saying, the space is regulated. Oh, commercial vehicle. So, be a bit me, or some I can add. A quiet person who first already achieve what's wrong. If you say that, who won't mean sorry and can say, okay, joy of your morning show. And the presenter. And the mayor presenter. That's their controls. Because I had me. They are controls. I say. They are controls. That be no before I show.
GPRT for Suban Modern no enye. But for me, the silence of the transport ministry is 1, annoying, 2, disrespectful, and 3, so unprofessional. In the midst of sad chaos here, GRTCC ne GPRT for and it's your Omanya Banta. But the ministry itself is quiet. Me to 50-50. The kind me feel say ministry no so stop abeye GRTC because any body
everybody almost share no this
about but need the crack aba and no me say interview omo the session GRTC for akasa na say wo problem me to say if we say be beyond GRTC no
the ministry
ministry na
come and tell us something
but me dey say Freeze Meresantini. On mine and Cassa for the Ghana mine. Yes, say, who say I can Asante Tumuno. As I say, a Kua of as I regulate it. Yeah, sure. It means me no be any how. But Martina to me say, Ampa, the ministry beyond GRTC, no? At least ministry no so I respect that. Yeah. But me say, nobody will act outside GRTC. I'm yet here. No, but the point is, it is dissolved.
Once you are not talking, once you are not talking, GRTC will talk for you.
GRTC is talking. GRTC. Onyameya Adoma. They are meeting on Wednesday or so.
Exactly.
No, but me a bobo sign. Yeah. There no problem. I don't know where the other two see which I support. That the beyond GRTC, you know, the ministry and the minister. They should at least speak to us and give us a certain light. Yeah. And no doubt
very
about
important.
That. So I say, no doubt about that. It means because Ghana, Asamo Ba, Yayan Shahai managing anyway. Now if you have a solution here, it yet may have so that. So Obia bet me sorry about the same not the Opebia went to my oh my Ghana. It's not possible.
And Muntia, Mubian Chia. Omanhene.
You are inciting.
Now, what is the basis for paying it? What's the basis?
The basis is the same. Hey, now, and your mobile cost through.
Previous. Also, previous Asante petrol cost through. GPRT for the 2 bone.
And as Oma China says,
GPRT for the 2 bone.
Yeah, no more. But my China trains, yeah.
One day the Joseph Vinci.
A basic that way.
Then they did the Brewy. What can cut I say?
Why is they walk what in say?
But what is your problem with that? This is the teacher of mine. Now, bracket your crown to moi. Okoya to a ketchum. So bracket your to moi. Okoya to a ketchum. That's a closer for that. Cassana. I am come I say who could din komo kopim say two parties in no. We now imagine be ko ben kro number share 50-50. Then you go ahead.
Ba Kwabena waka say mo.
Yes.
Cross afford as we.
Omo da so fie.
How?
And I said that Abayo was ample ways and means be to cushion the citizenry. Yenim say ebre wo mu wiase afra na nyina no ya kevia no bi akwohye akire wiase nyina ye de we understand wiase na ye de no aman bi suru mu so no hwe so ma de hye no o me so ma se halfway bi am o matimi I feel a little bit okay. We cannot continue to live in tough times whilst government is not looking at making sure say inframa kakra bi be den e be fa na de hye
na inframa na bi mbom fa ye ho
and I'm saying inframa kakra because every woman no you cannot run away that we are in tough times
na nti Kwabena nti aban onya den
they tell for aban say we person be consult man so person be consult man at a cost I will
and the omo ye nyina
these are suggestions to the government but proper consultation I'll charge and do it
hey
but that's somebody's job a consultant.
And
somebody is paid for that consultancy job. Why do you want me to sit here and prescribe for government when I've suggested to government that government should look out for ways and means?
It means that you're more than any.
No, I don't want to know about that.
But once
what I am saying is that emra iwomuno emu odin. Ewiase nyina ya affected. Ampa. Ewiase ya affected no. Ekro ni amman bi so afa kwan bi so a omode buo omade hye binom. It might not be significant but it's relevant, it's important.
Okay.
It's abandon so who say ebre wo mu enye normal sa. They said they made it say PRC for there so tariffs this and
ECG tariffs
when we were told to pay realistic prices in this country. It was forcibly met with a disagreement and thrown overboard. The reality is dawning on all of us now. But everywhere we media, I'll suggest the more fa sahadi no krana any can man say because a more rem kakra.
That is our proposal
because of a buying, partly because of a wiase order the ekoso. And nunti na mesre say on mine kasa se a jine se baby ye dunu. We need to think of ourselves. Menko borrow NDC. Yan share homegrown solutions bia ye betim dia solve on mine and problems. Making sure we empower the private sector, making sure we pay attention to our Greek sector, making sure that we will cut our coat according to yankasa your size. We cannot live above our salaries, above our means, and then still think that Ghana is going to change. Ultimate V8 in 1,000. No, that's how we have lived in this country. Not this administration.
No, according to your size.
Not this administration. On mining in ano, emuni pa in ano. Yantias yes, ya ye payment semache. Yemra form. Na you live according to Yesika yewo, any bia yewo. Because baby, I'll copy with you if you don't say designer suit. What the designer suit was a coat ne kokoti bus.
And the perfume.
Yeah.
The boarding.
Baby, I'll call an normal car Benz. And I pay you be not them.
Yeah.
Who the okono?
The fleet of cars.
Baby 24. And
the so was our chance over capacity.
So we should cut a lot of the waste. We should cut a lot of the waste because baby, I want that cross on capacity. Say no. Omo yen such. Omo sika sem enko ye. Omo shisha omo ye. We should also do same. Na nyoma onyame di adom ye. Na me ani nko. You go the free Ghana cost go don't fast be the way. Oko mikroma hafwa go don't fast be the way. Oko boasia go don't fast be the way. The people are rather getting poorer by the day. We need to start reorienting and come to ourselves. This country can be best developed by young kasa and obiabi. It is our dishonesty levels, I see a chasso. Our partisan and unneeded partisan attitude, I see a chasso. We need to push the Ghana agenda. We need to push it. Because maybe I don't know, if we don't push the Ghana agenda and we put partisan interests and we push individual interests, Ghana, through all of us, will suffer. The media has a bigger responsibility.
Yeah, and yeah,
I said, well, I said, full, but me, yeah, no. Minimum so day, I want to pick it. And here for that, I will punch him. But she be anywhere you're from. You remind me of James Jenny Boatin, a Kofi Juma, radio good.
Yeah, radio good.
Whether I quote, move on, if you ask me stupid questions, I'll also answer you stupidly.
Kwabena, what are you?
Oh, I'm Adom. My dad shall go.
Oh, yes, you're down there.
Come on. Yes, I'm sure me gauge and I say. Asante,
I see you.
Piaga. I see you.
But see,
yeah, DJ.
Omanhene Kwabena Asante.
Yeah.
Should be because after my birthday, no.
Yeah.
My imagine say Omanhene.
But some are punching.
Kowa.
Some are punching.
But when Fred member back with Fred.
This threat. No. I'll report this matter. I'll report this matter. I want to be called. I'll make sure this matter.